listen here, peeps. Got this plate here. We're gonna go to the registry, try and get this thing good to be legal on the road, and then we're gonna fill it up with gas and have some fun with it. All right, quick update here. Plate is on the car. Ramps are gone. I went ahead and used one of the 2.5-inch couplers because my reducer isn't in yet. So in here, I just jerry-rigged up a really ghetto silicone coupler that goes from 2.5 to 2-inch. So it's gonna leak boost like crazy, but I just wanna go drive this thing to the gas station, put some premium in it, and I just wanna drive it. My sister's heading out of town, but she's gonna follow me to the gas station to make sure I make it there, so she might take a couple roller clips or a little exhaust clip. Should be good. I still haven't got my wideband working. It's a glow shift. If anybody knows how to work one of these. Pretty quiet exhaust. All right, first drive in the Civic. This thing, my AFR might be working now. I just have regular gas in the tank. I don't want to try to boost yet, but this is exciting. No way. Okay, we made it to the gas station. Let's try to drain a little bit of this regular and you guys can hear some spool. Quick walk around here for anyone new. If you don't know, this is the D16Y7, the EK style or EJ6 hatch. 8-pound wastegate spring. Okay, first gear, 3,000. My AFR gauge isn't working, but let's try it here. Oh yeah. I can hear flutter, I can hear blow off. I was just testing it on the way back home here too. It's awesome. So I just went home, had some dinner, figured out my wideband gauge. So it's just got to warm up for about 30 seconds. The sensor, and now it's working. So I just pulled out of the garage, engine's still warm, did a second gear pull, and I got into boost pretty good and then threw a check engine light. I was watching my wideband here and it was just staying rich, and then I threw a code, let off the gas, and then it went full lean. 20 to 1, whatever it is. Okay, here's first gear, we'll give it a little bit. When I'm about 3/4 throttle there in boost. 13 AFR. First gear, not going full throttle. I don't want to blow it up yet. Couple pops. Damn. Yeah, those AFRs start to climb. I don't want to stay in it too long. Stock internal Civic. Ooh, sounded like a flame. Holy moly, it keeps doing that. It's like after I do a few small pulls, barely on throttle, it backfires like that. That was 5 pounds. You guys can't see, but it let off at 5 pounds. Somewhere around 8 pounds. It was just before 10 and I thought I'd let out. This is an 8-pound spring in my wastegate, but who knows? It's an Amazon $69 wastegate or $71, something like that. Who knows what that 8-pound spring actually makes. and you can hear it smacking on like the rear control arm, I think it is. I don't know exactly what it's called. It doesn't quite have enough clearance, so every time there's a big bump, you can hear the exhaust smack that metal piece. Put you in my mouth for a second here. I'm only driving this hard because the camera's on. I don't really want to blow this thing up, but sometimes Kodak courage makes you do some things. Not driving it hard isn't banging gears really hard, but driving it hard for being stock tune with the turbo running 8 pounds or more. Stock internals as well. That's probably Noah. Well, I think I'm gonna head home, check what this code is that I threw. Whoa, another one! I wonder if those are flames. Those gotta be flames. That's a loud pop. It scares me. It sounds so hollow. Thanks for checking in, guys. This is just a little update on the Turbo Civic. I just pulled in the garage here. Let's see if everything is still intact here. I'm curious to see if my oil pan is holding up as well. I smell something really warm. I got some weird blue on my headers here. Hot. Those are still out of the way. Good. How's that turbo? Holding up here? Kind of. I made a makeshift reducer, and wow, it actually it's making boost. I'm surprised it made like close to 8 pounds there, or over 8 pounds, somewhere around 8 pounds, with these slits that I cut in there. Let's check underneath if it's leaking at all. Oil pan intact. I don't see any drips yet. It looks pretty dry. So much better than when I bought it so far. Okay. Oh, we got some sort of leak here. And it looks fresh. Where is that from? Valve cover gasket? I replaced the valve cover gasket.